Hi, welcome to MedSchoolium. Today, we're diving into the introduction to the eye's anatomy. The human eye is a remarkable organ that allows us to see the world around us. Let's take a closer look at the key parts of the eye and how they work together to create vision. 1. The cornea. The eye's outer lens. Function. The cornea is the clear, cone-shaped surface that covers the front of the eye. It helps focus light as it enters the eye. The cornea does most of the focusing, bending light rays so that they can pass through the eye's lens. Analogy. Think of the cornea as the eye's outer lens, like the lens on a camera, that begins the process of focusing an image. 2. The pupil and iris. Controlling light intake. Iris, the colored part of the eye, the iris, controls the size of the pupil, the black circle in the center. The iris adjusts the pupil size depending on how much light is available, widening in dim light to let in more light and narrowing in bright light to protect the eye. Pupil. The pupil is like the aperture of a camera, controlling how much light enters the eye. 3. The lens. Fine-tuning focus. Function. Behind the iris is the lens, a flexible, transparent structure that fine-tunes focus. It changes shape depending on whether you're looking at something close up or far away, a process called accommodation. Analogy. The lens is like the adjustable lens of a camera, which zooms in or out to get a clear picture. 4. The retina. The eye's sensor. Function. The retina is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye that acts like the film in a traditional camera or the sensor in a digital camera. It contains millions of light-sensitive cells, rods and cones, that detect light and color. Rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light, while cones detect color and are essential for seeing fine detail. 5. The optic nerve. The visual messenger. Function. Once the retina converts light into electrical signals, these signals are sent to the brain through the optic nerve. The optic nerve acts like a high-speed data cable, transmitting visual information from the eye to the brain. Analogy. The optic nerve is like the USB cable connecting your camera to your computer, allowing the images to be processed and viewed. 6. The brain. The image processor. Function. The brain is where the magic happens. It processes the electrical signals sent by the optic nerve, combining images from both eyes to create a single, three-dimensional picture. This is how we perceive depth, motion, and color. Analogy. Think of the brain as the computer that processes the raw data, light, and turns it into a clear, understandable image. Light enters the eye through the cornea and pupil, gets focused by the lens, and is captured by the retina. The retina then sends the information to the brain via the optic nerve, where it's processed into the images we see. By taking care of our eyes, through regular checkups, proper eye protection, and a healthy lifestyle, we can ensure our vision stays sharp for years to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye care tips.